everyone, I'm here with part 2 of my weekly food haul. So the last video you would have seen of mine would have been part 1, which was from Aldi. As I said at the end of that video, part 2 was done at Tesco and it actually cost more than the Aldi shopping, but it typically does anyway. So I get these out of the polished chilled section. It is a little bit squashed. They're absolutely gorgeous. 4 strawberry quark yogurts are still on offer for 60p and they're my favourite yogurt. This is a new thing that I've never seen, the Hungry Elephant Curry House Korma. They also had a firecracker garlic and there was only one of them on the shelves, so they must be popular. I actually forgot I'd got that till I got home. Then I have 2 of these momas or whatever, sachets of porridge, which I've got cupboards full and never used, so I'm hoping I use these. I got these from the free from section and they're on offer for £1.50. So I got almond butter with salted caramel and coconut and chia. I got some sweet and fiery beetroot, some pepper and sea salt croutons, a 6-pack of hula hoop puffs in salted. They're on offer for £1 and I never had them, so I thought I'd get them. I got a Bitali that had 50p off. I picked up this blueberry muffin yoghurt. Never had it. Love blueberry muffins, so I thought I'd try it. These are one of my favourite capsules. It's the Tesco Finest Gagaro, number 6. I've been digging through my jar getting these out. I don't even think I've got any left. I think I had the last one yesterday. And I got these. These are on offer for £2.50. I normally have a 5 or a 6, 7 at a push. And this is the lowest strength that they had. So I'm going to give them a try. I got some Bisto chicken. I think this is the reduced salt one. That was on offer. I got some Cathedral City baked bites. They were £1. I got some cheese oatcakes. I've been getting these every week. Some charred top-sided beef. That was on offer for £2. Some flatbread Warburton's multigrain and seeds. They were £1. I don't know if they're on offer, but they was on an end aisle, making them look like they were on offer. The Outpro Light Jaffa Cakes were on offer for £1. This is a new one. I don't know if they do it in other Tesco's, but it's new to my Tesco. Turmeric and lemon shot. I normally get a different flavour, but thought I'd try it. It was £1. These were on offer for 60p. I like to have at least one in the cupboard, so that's going in the cupboard. And I always get chicken. I got broccoli, natural dog food. That was on offer for 70p. I got some light sweet chilli sauce. That had 50p off. I got soy milk. I always get it out the chilled section. I got 2 caramel macchiatos. They're on offer for £1. I got 2 Cravendale Long Life Milk and Semi-Skimmed. I have that in my tea and coffee, mainly tea. 3 Pepsi Max. A 6-pack of Evian. These were on offer for about £1.25, I think. I got a Cobb, Granary Cobb loaf of bread. And I think that is everything that I picked up from Tesco today. Didn't get in the toilet roll because I've still got a full pack. And yeah, that came to 40 something pounds. Wasn't too bad. I've got a lot of stuff here and my shopping was cheaper because my budget was £20 less this week and I spent £10 less. So some weeks I spend £20 less than my normal budget, but this budget was less, so I still got it for cheaper, if that makes sense. So if you have any comments, please leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to get to 500. And the notification button, don't forget to press that, and then every time I upload a video you'll get an alert. I don't do them as often as I used to do, so if you've got the alerts set up, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.